everybody. Hey of YouTube. Who, I have decided to reveal my real name to both the channels. My name is Cooper Collins, and, and Paradise Gaming, aka Adventure Channel. Today, I wanted to make an explanation video for my plan and mod. Front FNF Stick Friends Party. So, so this is where I plan. So this I still have not figured out half of the title screen yet. But I have I have used a main menu theme. And my apologies is there very big opportunity for giving a few track to this. And if you want me to change it, then let me know. So let me know on Twitter and under Cooper Collins and or at Powerface Game. I have done some changes over my planning time. So now, as far as we go, because different, it's gonna be the mod where you get to play as the original BF, B3 BF, and D-side BF. As well as the cheater BF as well. Which also means there can be some different changes of metal. And as of a song I only want to upload and put my one cover song Mario Pop 3. Now, because Green is now as Green loves two worlds part of that game. I actually did really confident and found one of the YouTubers' videos posts about it just for a heck of a fun. Alright, so here are the weeks to this to the whole entire mod, including Halloween. I made a couple spreadsheets for that week, which is planned to be a head opponent and are playable. And the best thing about it is so from week 3, week 1 so for each of the weeks, so as you can tell that there are 3 weeks, week 1 and 3 week 3. It is so that week that I can put so it would be able to see the different dialogue on for the for for the yeah. Now, so week 4 is going to be an exception, because for week 2 we do play at 3 it gets flat, which is actually a foe in comic. It is now the comic is unfinished, but I plan to digitalize the pages and make another series on Webtoon. And as for week 4 Halloween, you get to play as any kid and a BF and DF in your skin folder, which is actually on your Yoshi Engine folder. So I'm still waiting to get for this mod. And oh yeah. So alright, so from this week all the way to this week, the empty sound effect when you the verb or the week, it sounds like a bell. And for the Halloween, and you'll hear a creaky ghost of the door opening. It's kind of like it's kind of like as a way to make something interesting. I was unfortunately unable to have the static for this one. I actually tried, but I unfortunately wasn't able to. So now I haven't got to the medal yet, but here is the one medal. So for clearing Mario beatbox with Bob. Okay, and now it's the look of the gold. It's gonna be because on Apple on finally done and yes. So here's the description for this for this mod. As well as the icon. And I use one like contact tag images. It's for it to because and the reason why I set it as a week as well as a pretty Halloween theme like thing, because it's like close to October, my favorite month. My favorite, and even my favorite holiday. So, I planned this mod to being able to play as those three, yes, plus 3 team and even sometime a maybe theme you get to play as myself. Oh, so 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 for any for any in for any game coders and actual musicians and around no 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 if you don't feel if you would like to help, feel free to come by Twitter or 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 and apply a oh, I don't have to really don't have to really release it too early or too late. So take your time and see if you would like to do work and help me this project. Now I am developing this on Yoshi Engine. And if you'd like to also hang out, really, I don't pick out a lot of people on my Discord channel. So that link is in the description and below. As to this offer. So if you did so if you decide to join my Discord server, you'll instantly have access to the Phasmophobia category. I actually did start playing Phasmophobia down on my computer, and I did a couple training rounds. Didn't make a video yet, but I'm gonna be working on it. So anyway, so if you like this video and consider getting updates and info, come over to my Twitter, if you'd like to apply a application is available. I also linked my fan lab community page as well. Which is along the post. And yeah. The big stuff that's been flagging that before turn is the cemetery if you want to and change the things on the mod, let me know on Twitter and a comment and I'll Easter to change the date before I release the mod. I'm still thinking for this information of this mod. And for the and as of the comic, thing, I'm currently working on the second and one non-music class. I based that on one of the Rick and Morty episodes. So just for fun, just for fun. All right. So be sure to like, subscribe to my gaming channel and adventure channel. Oh, 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 and also, and also, if you like to hang out, come chat around, come invite other people, come around, come, 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 click the link the Discord link, and also apply. You can apply anytime. Alright. And this is Cooper calling